Hello good people! Today for unboxing and the first simple review is Wera Micro Screwdriver Big Set. Compared with regular micro driver set, with Big Set it comes extra 3 screwdrivers. The price for it from Amazon Germany, I paid it about 85 euros, but after a week when I bought it, I see that they have discounted version to even 75 euros. It's somehow pricey, but I think having the Wera quality and very big set for any case whenever you will need precise micro screwdrivers, it's worth it. And even if you are working with microelectronics and so on, it's, I think, worth it based on specification of it. So let's unbox and look what inside and make our opinion about it. Is it worth or not? Specification right or not? Okay. Just a moment. They glue it together, the box. So this is invoice, we do not need it. And we receive quite big Wera beautiful box. So let's look here. This is extra 3 screwdrivers with this clip to packet. This GCIS, this is Japanese special standard for screws. So I do not know if you pay attention or not, but the head of this screwdriver and the screws a little differ. Phillips one, Japanese or American or European version. I will put a picture from the top in order to you can clearly see the difference. It means that it doesn't mean that you cannot use regular Phillips screwdriver for Japanese screws, but I will bring an example to be more clear. For example, we have Phillips and positive screwdrivers and screws. With Phillips screwdriver also you can unscrew positive screws, but when you use positive screwdriver it's much more convenient, grip force much more, and you will not smash the head of the screws. So this is other like marketing, I think, things for screwdrivers. It shows that this grip part for high torque to transfer high torque. This is for precision. The head of screwdriver is rotating. We will see just later. It's all color labeled to find easily in your box, and it shows the type of screwdrivers inside the kit. As well, here we can see, just a moment, I will open it. Here all the sizes, I will do like this if you want to check all the sizes and types of screwdrivers inside the box, and extra 3 ones for this big packet. It comes with this nice case, so very beautiful and quality one. This is extra 3 screwdrivers. You can see flat one with longer size. I will put next to it. You can see that this flat SL screwdriver, and this is Phillips one for Japanese screws. As we can see here, mentioned the standard Phillips 0. I have other Wera screwdrivers. This is one of the smallest which I have. So just for comparison, the size and the handle size. As well, we can measure it, so you can look. It's about 14 centimeters. And this nice case for them. So let's open this big one and look what inside. I will show. It comes with the sticker, famous sticker, and this one too, if you want to stick anywhere and tighten your set to that part of your shop. So let's open it. A very nice one. It's much more bright colors and you can feel the quality, which I think the camera will not transfer. So let's take any one. It is much longer than these extra 3 screwdrivers you can hear here. I will measure again. It's about 60 centimeters, so about 4 centimeters longer than this extra 3 one. Here we have color labeled hex 1, the number of hex, sign, what this is a hex screwdriver. These blue ones all hex, their size. Then red ones, regular Phillips. As well, we have this gray one, hex external for small screws. It's convenient, like this or this, to use the way how it will be. Phillips, other hex one, bigger size. This is 5.5 and this one was 4.0. Then this orange one, let's have a look. It's a more straight head Phillips screwdriver. You can look. Then yellow ones, again compared with others, you can see this one is a longer, so not all length of the screwdriver is the same. This is flat one. I will put back it later. Other size, so green ones, you can hear it's hex, Torx. All sizes on the box you can hear at the first part of the video. Torx, Torx, Torx. But coming here, let's look this purple one. It's very tiny. The size is IPR1. It is not regular Torx. Even you have this small nice pray bar in the box. Light ones yellow, like here, color labeling. So first impression, quality, very nice piped screwdriver set. If you can find the deals with extra 3-1 for 75 euros again, it's worth it to buy. Because regular price only for this in Amazon Germany 75 euros. I have with me this cheap Chinese one. I do not want to compare this because they're totally different quality, but it is for home use in rare cases. It's quite enough, but if you dealing with especially electronics and some small screws, it's worth to buy this big separate set. For any case you can use it. I have some small screws here just to look how the grip of them. This is regular Phillips one. Let's look. No, this is not for this. This is even smaller. I think that this size will fit. No, the screw head is a little bit smashed. I will take different one. It fits quite well, but I think the real opinion about how it works with small screws will be when in real case use them, because there are many Chinese not quality screws here. That's it. If you have any question about the kit or would like to see in any type of use, just leave a comment and I will try to do extra videos for it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.